Welcome back! Let's learn the letter G. The letter G makes two sounds. The hard G sounds like this. G, G. And the soft G sounds like this. J, J. Today we're going to practice both sounds. As we do, let's learn about grapes. Grapes starts with the hard G sound. G, grapes. Let's use Play-Doh to fill in our grapes. Today we're going to make purple grapes using purple Play-Doh. Here we go. Almost there. You will never see just one grape, as these delicious fruits grow together. This group of grapes is called a bunch or a cluster. Now, my friends, let's work on the leaves. Of course, our leaves are going to be green. Let's work together to make our leaves more detailed. This looks great, my friends. Good job! Now, my friends, let's fill in the stem. It's going to be brown. Boys and girls, grapes grow on vines in farms that are called vineyards. Our amazing world has over 8,000 different types of grapes to choose from. What other words can you think of, boys and girls, that start with a hard G? How about the word goat? What about a gift? What about the word glasses? Great job, my friends! Now, can you think of any words that begin with the soft G? Remember, the soft G makes the J sound. Did you say giraffe? You're right! What about a giant? Good job! I've got another one. How about the gym? Great job, my friends! Keep thinking of more words that begin with the hard G and the soft G. Great job learning the letter G with me, my friends! I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!